You are precious to God. God has plans for you to accomplish your dreams. He wants you to feel successful in everything you do, no matter the current circumstances. God knows that life is difficult sometimes, but things will get better if you keep hope alive. It takes courage not only to live through struggles every day, but also to keep on fighting for what makes you happy. You must be honest to succeed. Honest with yourself, honest with others, and honest with God. Love with all your heart, not just with your words. John 3:18 says, "Dear children, let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth." God will provide everything you need. Everything is in God's glorious plan for your life. He will give you the strength, courage, and wisdom. The more time you spend with God, the more peace and clarity of mind you will find within yourself. God will bless you with what you need if it aligns with His path for your life. Rejoice in the name of the Lord, and you will prosper and be in good health. If we don't know God, it is because of sin that separates us from God. Sin is the cause of all heartache. You will be guided on the path of victory if you believe in God. Now is the time to reclaim your life. Live with gratitude for all things you have. You are blessed beyond measure by God. You are cherished by Him. It's your time for your pain to be healed. It's your time for you to feel the strength of God surrounding your every move. This is not coincidence. It is divine intervention. And you are more powerful than any circumstance on this earth. Because God has blessed you with the courage to change what you don't like in your life. He will do that for you today. May God shine His light on your path and give you the guidance to find hope again. May He help you regain trust in yourself and in others. May He restore peace inside of your heart so that there will be no room left for anxiety or uncertainty about tomorrow. You are loved more than words can express. You are unique and special. God bless you. Like the video if you believe.